Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news for you. Alfa Romeo, the renowned Italian automotive manufacturer, has taken a leap forward in technology and innovation with their latest release. Get ready to be blown away as we introduce you to the first Alfa Romeo with hybrid technology, the groundbreaking Alfa Romeo Tonale. Alfa Romeo has always been synonymous with elegance, performance, and the true essence of Italian design. With the Tonale, they have brought together their iconic DNA and infused it with modernity and functionality. This car is a true reflection of Alfa Romeo's commitment to pushing boundaries and staying at the forefront of automotive advancements. Let's start by exploring the stunning exterior of the Alfa Romeo Tonale. The design is a harmonious blend of classic Alfa Romeo elements and contemporary aesthetics. At the front, you'll immediately notice the striking, formerly floating Scudetto front grille, proudly displaying the Alfa Romeo emblem. It serves as the centerpiece of the Tonale, exuding an air of sophistication. Moving to the headlights, Alfa Romeo has equipped the Tonale with adaptive full LED matrix headlights featuring a unique 3+3 signature. This lighting design pays homage to the pure Alfa Romeo DNA, emphasizing the brand's distinctive character. The 20-inch alloy wheels and Toledo design, accompanied by red brake calipers, are a modern interpretation of the iconic telephone dials concept from the 1960s. These wheels add a touch of elegance and sportiness, further enhancing the Tonale's exterior appeal. At the rear, the Tonale boasts a mesmerizing light signature created by the sleekly designed rear lights. This unmistakable feature stretches across the entire rear, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. And let's not forget the Italian flag, Illinois tricolor, subtly displayed on the side mirrors, serving as a reminder of the Tonale's proud Italian heritage. Now, let's step inside the Alfa Romeo Tonale and discover its captivating interior. As soon as you enter, you'll be greeted by a carefully curated atmosphere, created by numerous LEDs that bathe the cabin in a warm and inviting glow. Alfa Romeo has crafted the Tonale with a clear focus on the driver, ensuring an unforgettable experience every time you get behind the wheel. The interior of the Tonale showcases a perfect blend of noble materials, high-quality surfaces, and ambient lighting on the dashboard. This combination creates a luxurious and comfortable environment, making every journey a memorable one. Whether you choose the Alcantara or leather seats, both heated and ventilated, you can be assured of constant comfort no matter the weather. Alfa Romeo understands the importance of advanced technologies in modern vehicles. That's why they have equipped the Tonale with a vehicle information center called Connocchio. This center features a fully digital 12.3-inch display, providing all the essential information you need as a driver. Additionally, a 10.25-inch touchscreen takes center stage, offering seamless control over various functions and delivering a breathtaking driving experience. The Alfa Romeo Tonale doesn't just impress with its stunning design and luxurious interior, it also incorporates a range of cutting-edge technologies. Let's take a closer look at some of these advanced features. Firstly, the Tonale offers Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities, giving you an extra layer of convenience and safety on the road. Features such as the blind spot assistant with rear cross-movement detection, lane keeping assistant, and autonomous emergency braking help ensure a secure driving experience. Furthermore, the Tonale introduces a groundbreaking innovation with its digital NFT certificate, non-fungible token. Alfa Romeo has taken a bold step by becoming the first production vehicle in the world to incorporate this technology. The digital NFT certificate, based on blockchain technology, creates a unique and non-counterfeitable record of the vehicle's data throughout its lifespan. This certification has significant advantages for both current and future Tonale owners. It guarantees that the car has been properly maintained, enhancing its residual value when it comes time to resell. In the used car market, the NFT certification serves as an additional source of credibility for owners and dealers, building trust and ensuring transparency. But that's not all. Connectivity and driving dynamics are also key features of the Tonale. Alfa Romeo has incorporated intelligent speed control, an attention assistant, and a backseat reminder system, prioritizing both safety and convenience. Now, let's delve into the heart of the Alfa Romeo Tonale, the performance that sets it apart from the crowd. Alfa Romeo offers different variants of the Tonale, each with its own unique powertrain options. The Tonale 130 Hybrid, the base model, features a 1.5-liter four-cylinder turbo gasoline engine coupled with a built-in 48-volt, 15 kilowatts electric motor. This hybrid configuration produces 96 kilowatts, 130 horsepower of power and 240 newton-meters of torque. The power is delivered through an exclusive 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing smooth and efficient gear shifts. For those seeking more power, Alfa Romeo presents the Tonale 160 Hybrid VGT, Variable Geometry Turbo. Equipped with a 1.5-liter gasoline engine and a 48-volt electric motor P2, this variant generates 118 kilowatts, 160 horsepower of power and offers an impressive 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. With front-wheel drive, this configuration ensures a dynamic driving experience, even when the internal combustion engine is switched off. If you're a performance enthusiast, the Tonale PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, is the ultimate choice. This advanced hybrid system combines a 1.3-liter multi-air turbo petrol engine that drives the front wheels and an electric motor that powers the rear wheels. With a 15.5 kilowatt-hour battery and a system power output of 202 kilowatts, 275 horsepower, the Tonale PHEV delivers exhilarating performance. It can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.2 seconds, showcasing its sporting DNA. In conclusion, the Alfa Romeo Tonale represents a new era for the brand, blending traditional elegance with cutting-edge technology. As the first Alfa Romeo to feature hybrid technology, the Tonale paves the way for a greener and more sustainable future. The incorporation of NFT certification ensures transparency, credibility, and enhanced resale value. With its captivating exterior design, luxurious interior, advanced technologies, and impressive performance, the Tonale is a true masterpiece that showcases Alfa Romeo's commitment to innovation and driving pleasure. So, whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of Italian design, the Alfa Romeo Tonale is a vehicle that demands your attention. Experience the thrill of driving an Alfa Romeo like never before with the Tonale, a perfect harmony of style, technology, and performance. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of automotive innovation.